everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Merrill Corporation Virtual Data Room Review, a secure and user-friendly VDR. Merrill Corporation is a leading provider of virtual data rooms. Merrill VDR platform is known for its security, ease of use, and affordability. Let's go through the slides. Features. Merrill VDR platform offers a wide range of features, including secure document storage and sharing, user permissions and access control, audit logging and reporting, collaboration tools, mobile access. Merrill also offers a number of advanced features such as AI-powered due diligence process tools, automated data anonymization, virtual Q&A forums. Pricing. Merrill VDR is one of the most affordable VDR on the market. Merrill offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Case study. One company that used Merrill VDR to close a major deal successfully in a small business that was in the process of being acquired by a larger company. The small business needed a secure and reliable VDR to share confidential documents with the larger company and its advisors. The small business chose Merrill's VDR because of its affordability and ease of use. The small business was able to quickly set up its data room and upload all of its relevant documents. The small business's data room was well received by the larger company and its advisors. Many of the advisors commented on the ease of use of the data room and the comprehensiveness of the information that was provided. The small business was ultimately able to choose the deal successfully. The small business's CEO credits Merrill's VDR with helping them to streamline the due diligence process and to close the deal on time and within budget. Here are some of the pros and cons of using Merrill's VDR. Pros: secure, user-friendly, affordable, wide range of features, including advanced features for due diligence and secure, excellent customer support. Cons: some users have reported problems with the mobile app. Merrill's VDR is not as well known as some of the other leading VDR providers. Is Merrill VDR the best VDR for you? Merrill VDR is one of the best VDRs on the market, but there are other excellent VDR providers available, such as Ideals, DataSite, and Ansarada. The best VDR provider for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you are looking for a VDR that is secure, user-friendly, and affordable, then Merrill's VDR is a good choice. If you are looking for a VDR that is more well-known or that has more advanced features for due diligence and security, then you may want to consider another VDR provider. Conclusion. Merrill VDR is an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. It is secure, user-friendly, and affordable. Merrill's VDR is particularly well suited for small businesses and for businesses that are looking for a VDR that is easy to use. If you are unsure which VDR provider is right for you, we recommend that you contact a few different providers for a free demo. This will allow you to compare the different providers and choose one of the best that is best for your needs. That's all for today. Hope you've understand this topic. Thank you so much, everyone. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned up to that, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.